Hey, David here with the Barbecue Lab, bringing you the best outdoor cooking gear and techniques to help you win your weekend. In the outdoor cooking world, there's nothing quite as hot as outdoor pizza ovens right now, and Alfa Ovens has been creating them for over 40 years. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Alfa Allegro and how you can cook more than just pizza in this oven, coming up. Hey, we're with Michael here from Alfa Ovens, and Michael, tell me a little bit about this oven, and what is it that's really taking this market segment and just blasting it through the roof right now? What's so hot about pizza?
Well, I will tell you that what's making the category go up is the fact that it's just extremely fun to cook your own pizzas and other foods in these ovens in your backyard. A couple of the things that really set us apart from our competition is our flue system. We do not have a hole in our ceiling. We have a baffled flue here, so that gives you more circulation and allows the temperature to heat up much faster. You can be cooking pizzas in here in about 30 minutes. Your typical brick and mortar pizza ovens, they'll take 3-4 hours to heat up.
Wow.
So in no time at all, you can be cooking.
Is that due to the baffle system, or is it due to the refractory brick, or what is it?
Well, the refractory brick is better for your pizza. Now that gets hot and stays hot longer. It's better than your traditional ceramic or lava stone base that most of the other people are using. But the refractory brick is manufactured from scratch in our factory just south of Rome in Italy.
So these are coming straight from Italy. So you guys are bringing them overseas, and then you're actually distributing them through different storefronts here.
Correct. We are setting up a retail storefront throughout the whole U.S. We're the master distributor based in Chicago. We have about 160 storefronts right now, and we're growing fast. The category is exploding. We're expecting our numbers to double this year from last year.
Wow. So tell me a little bit about, this is not just for pizzas. This is for all different types of food. So walk me through a little bit more rather than just pizza. What are we looking at?
So you're cooking with a live wood flame. So one of the things that's hot right now is when you go out to restaurants, they're cooking on wood flame pizza ovens and things like that. So but the flame off the wood gets very hot. Okay, so if you're thinking about something like a steak, and you're cooking a steak at 900 degrees Fahrenheit with a flame roaring across the top of the oven and a cast iron pan on the bottom, you're cooking from the bottom up and the top down. So you can cook your steak just like a Ritz Chris or a Morton's or anything like that. It'll be crispy charred on the outside, nice medium rare on the inside.
So you have like a wood-fired salamander.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're talking about you can get this amazing crust because you're using that cast iron.
And the sear from the top.
Right.
The flame, because the flame is literally curving around the top of that stainless steel chamber.
Wow. So I've also heard that someone is crazy enough to use this as a smoker.
Absolutely.
So give me the idea of how am I going to use a pizza oven that's known for 900 degrees as a smoker?
So you can use lump charcoal in here as well as wood. So you get your coals going and you throw a few pieces of lump charcoal in there. And then you can use the door to regulate your air temperature to get the coals depending on what temperature you want to do. And then if you want to bake something at 350 degrees, 400 degrees, it'll stay at that temperature for long periods of time.
If you're getting value from this video, be sure to hit the like button for us. All right, back to the content. So one of the things that, I feel like making this category just explode is that this is just more fun than your traditional, I'm going to go stick a pizza on a egg-style grill.
Right. Exactly. So you can entertain family, friends, sport. If your kids are in sports and their teammates come over, and everybody hangs around the oven, and you're cooking pizzas, you're hanging out, you're entertaining. Everybody's having fun. The kids are making pizzas. Your coworkers are making pizzas. You can do contests for who makes the best pizza. It's just a lot of fun to be entertaining and have it in your backyard.
And so we're talking about pizzas. How long does it really take to make a pizza in this oven?
From the time you put the pizza in the oven to the time you take it out, about 90 seconds.
90 seconds.
Yeah.
Now, so can you actually do things like deep dish in an oven like this?
You can, but you're going to have to use a lower temperature on your cook because the deep dish pizzas have to stay in there for about a 15 to 20 minute cook, depending on what kind of Detroit style or Chicago deep dish style pizza that you're doing. And you'll want to use a pan for sure.
Right. And so you're talking more Neapolitan style pizzas?
Right. The Neapolitan styles are the ones that are done in about 90 seconds.
Wow.
And everything is based on your dough. Okay. The oven will cook anything spectacularly but the dough is what makes the pizza. If you want a traditional, really thin flatbread, cracker crust kind of pizza, you have to make a dough to get that result. If you want a traditional Neapolitan style pizza, then you need a Neapolitan style dough that's going to give you that round crust, the doughy crust, but still the flat bottom crispy.
Now, are there recipes on the Alfa Ovens site that's going to help you with those?
We have recipes. We have a recipe book that can be downloaded on there as well. We also have YouTube videos. We have social media with a bunch of people cooking and sharing their recipes online as well.
Great. Well, hey, Michael, it's been a pleasure getting to know Alfa Ovens. I look forward to seeing more about you guys online.
Yeah, and I look forward to working with you guys. Barbecue Lab.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Question of the day. Are you currently using an outdoor oven in your outdoor cooking setup? What's your favorite thing to cook with it? Let us know in the comments section below, as well as your thoughts on this new wave hitting the outdoor cooking market. And if you want to check out some of our other coverage from the Barbecue Expo, we've got a whole playlist out, and we'll link it up in the YouTube card as well as in the description below. And I'll see you next time right here on the Barbecue Lab.